Howdy, how y'all doing? Shorts for the Scrambler, and we're on the Panorama, and we did some of the fun activities here on board, such as the pool water activities, the SkyRide, and of course, the rope course. If you're interested in that, come join me.
Howdy, we're up here at the Sports Square on the Carnival Panorama. Up here on the top deck, this is where the fun begins. Yep, this is where you can find a full-size sports court, basketball, or even paddleball for old folk like me. Think about it, just about anything. And just a few steps away, you got mini golf course and the clubhouse. Now the mini golf just isn't a quick putt-putt setup. It's a 9-hole course with some fun obstacles, great views, and just enough challenge to keep things interesting. I even took a quick round myself, lined up a shot or two, and see if I still got the putting skills, or if it's just going straight into that ocean hazard. But today, we're taking things to the next level. In this video, we're diving straight into the SkyRide, with a full ride around the track so you can see exactly what you can expect, pedaling high above the ship. Then we're heading over to the ropes course for a full walkthrough of the challenges up there, and we're not stopping here either. We'll finish things up at the waterworks, where I'm going to take you on each of the water slides, with full POVs so you can experience the twists, the turns, and the splashes for yourself. Let's get started. About ready to get on the SkyRide. Waiting a few minutes here in line, so that's a pretty fun thing to do. Now this is one of the coolest things here on the entire ship, the SkyRide. It's kind of like riding a bike. You know, once you learn, you never forget. But let me tell you, this is nothing like riding a bike around your neighborhood. Now let me ask you, when was the last time you were biking way above a cruise ship deck with that open ocean stretching out all around you? Up here, you're strapped into a pedal-powered SkyRide vehicle, cruising along a 2-lane suspended track, allowing me and Terry just to race each other. Who's going to win? Starting out, it appears that me and Terry are just going to take it slow and take this chance to enjoy the view. Now you just might want to focus straight ahead and not look down, especially if heights aren't your thing. I'm going to look at the sea here for a minute. There's Cabo. It's smooth, it's safe, and yeah, you definitely feel it in your legs by the time you're done. This is fun just about for everyone. But there's a couple things you need to know. You do need to be 52 inches high, 4'4", and there's a 250-pound weight limit per rider. But if you meet these requirements, this hands down is one of the best views and the most unique ride you're going to find anywhere at sea. So let's go ahead and take a spin around the track. Here to grab onto and to brake a little bit. Crystal gets to go downhill first. Oh, I have to go uphill. Oh, it's hard. I had to go uphill and you get to go downhill. I don't know if that's fair. Waving at the rambling crew below, hey, that's always fun. And if you know me on board, come talk to me. I'd love to say howdy to you. You'll find out that I'm a very friendly rambler. So don't be shy, just say hi. Now if you've been enjoying my videos, do me a favor, subscribe and hit that notification bell so you can be forewarned of other videos coming up. We would love to have you part of that rambling crew.
Okay, I'm gonna try to get some speed here so I can zoom. See, I'm going downhill. I'll see you later. Bye.
Each of the tracks have a nice little downhill area, and you're gonna go pretty fast. You might think you're behind, but once you hit that downhill, you're gonna speed ahead. Go, Terry, go. Wait a second, Terry. I thought we weren't racing. What's going on here? Hey, wait for me. Whoa, she's really ahead. I better pedal faster, or she's gonna beat me to the buffet. Nope, I'm not catching up. She's way gone. Yep, she left me in the dust. Oh, on our next ride, I'm gonna go for the gold. You wait, Terry. I'll get you next time.
Thank you.
How was it?
Absolutely fun. Thank you.
You are. Let me get this one.
Okay.
All right, now you're gonna exit towards me.
Thank you.
Thank you. Have a good day.
Have a great day, guys. Woohoo! Yeah! We did it. Pretty fun. Thank you. So what part of the Philippines are you from?
Sir?
What part of the Philippines?
Manila.
Manila. I'm always looking for someone who lived in Mindanao, because I lived in Mindanao.
Mindanao, oh.
In Zamboanga.
It's blocking, sir.
Now off to the rope course, a high adventure activity. Just up those stairs and we're ready to dangle on some ropes.
Okay.
That's a hard one. That one might be a little bit easier,
I know, they're both hard.
but they're both hard.
As Terry and Crystal head off on this course, let me give you a better idea just how high this thing really is. The sky course here on the Panorama sits on the 14th deck, about 150 feet above the ocean. But here, the part that really gets you, when you're actually on the course, you're standing about 30 feet above the deck below you. Yeah, look at this, it's a long way down. The cool thing is, you're not just high above the ocean, you're also looking straight down at the ship beneath your feet. And at that moment, your brain kind of goes, okay, this just got real. Until Terry starts messing around. Then it just becomes fun. Now there's a hard side and an easier side, but when you start heading over to that harder side, that's when things get interesting. Things get a little narrower, a little bit more wobbly, and yeah, your heart rate definitely goes up a beat or two. Now look at that, Terry's doing this course like a champion. Heading over to the harder side, just to get a bit of thrill. Now Terry, I thought you were scared of heights. What's going on here? Now you're walking across swinging steps that are dancing in the wind, tight ropes once in a while, and little obstacles that move under your feet. And every step feels like a mix of excitement and just a little bit of fear. But not a bad fear, the good fear, kind of what you get on a roller coaster. That jolt of adrenaline, but knowing you're going to survive. Crystal mentioned that this was one of the coolest views that she got anywhere on the ship, and that's what makes this special. It's not just a rope course, it's a rope course at sea. And when you make it to the end, there's that feeling like, yeah, I just did that. A little bit of relief and a little bit of pride, and honestly, you kind of want to go again. Except for Crystal, one and done. But the goal of doing it, she did it, and she's proud of it. And something she can put in her book of memories. Carnival, you challenged me, and I completed it. Now if you love a good thrill and don't mind getting a little soaked, this is the place to be. The Carnival Panorama has two awesome main slides. The Red Fun, an open-air raft slide that twists and turns all the way down. Let's take a ride.
3, 2, 1, go! Whoa! Let's do it! Whoa! Fast! Whirls! And more! Whoa! It's a left turn, right turn! Here it goes! Oh, get dizzy on this one. Here we go, gonna do some landing here. Here we go! Whoa!
And the Blue Fun is a 300-foot enclosed tube slide that is fast, dark, and full of surprises.
Here we go! Oh, this is fast. Yeah!
It was fast until I got stuck. Then I had to push a little bit to get restarted. Now here we go again.
Goes in. Yeah!
But it's not all about the daredevils. Kids can have a blast in the Choose Fun Waterwork area, complete with a splash park with several tipping buckets, several water jets, and even some yellow mini racing slides for the little ones. Now all that fun has worn me out. Grabbing a soda, just relaxing, and that's the agenda for the rest of the day. Be curious, stay fearless, and keep on rambling. This is George the Fearless Rambler, signing off.